Now, from your experience, what are some of the common factors that would warrant investigating a taxpayer's affairs?
Primarily is suspicion, as enshrined in the relevant tax law, which is the Personal Income Tax Act, Section 55. It actually gives the tax authority the power, suspecting any form of under disclosure, which within that law it states fraud, willful default, and neglect. Because ordinarily a taxpayer who is resident in Lagos State is expected to, do full disclosure to the tax authority. This is also supported in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Section 24F, under the duties of a citizen, where citizens are expected to, honestly disclose their income and pay tax thereof, to the relevant tax authority. The tax audit exercise actually is an opportunity for the tax authority to guide, the taxpayer to see the level of compliance and to see if the taxpayer has fully adhered to, what the tax law actually expects. So if the taxpayer still fails to, do what is expected, maybe by way of income of the taxpayer, and also understatement of the number of employees, for instance, that usually, triggers a tax investigation for us to properly now assess the taxpayer to the right amount of tax by way of additional assessment, and expect that, and notify the taxpayer of this new development. And at the end of the day, the taxpayer is expected to pay, this additional tax amount.
Right. Now, can you provide an overview of the objectives of the Strategic Audit Unit?
Primarily, the Strategic Audit Unit is the revenue generating unit of the agency. And just like I did mention, it's saddled with the responsibility of conducting tax investigation assignments. And also, we are also saddled with the responsibility of carrying out the normal audit, depending on what triggers that. Also special assignments in relation to, or some segments of tax audits